Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Gretchen and this is Beautiful Mess, and today I am taking you guys into my car. So sorry, the sun is a little bit bright. So my car is a mess and I have kids 5 and 2, so you can just imagine the mess that I have in the back seat mainly. This car really needs some attention, so I thought that I would take you guys along with me and get this car cleaned up and then restock it with all my car essentials, toddler essentials, and just get it back in good standing, because it gives me a little bit of like anxiety when I get in here and it's such a mess, and there's so many things in here that don't need to be in here. So if you have kids and you have this issue and your car probably looks like my car does, then just don't feel bad about it. It's mom life, right? It's parent life. This is what it is. The snacks just go on the floor, the toys just go everywhere, sippy cups, bottles, everything gets lost, and that's just what it is. So let's go. This is the trunk, guys. I don't even know. I'm sure half of what's in here is from Christmas, but this is crazy, and this needs to be restocked. If you saw my last video for essentials to keep in the car with toddlers, then you know that this is my fabric bin that I use for that, but it is a mess and it is time to go through it. Half of that stuff doesn't even belong in there. Look, like random, look at this. This is crazy. Like, this is random shit. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at this. Look, guys, a hanger. Okay, explain to me why there's a hanger in here. I don't know. We got to get this cleaned up. Okay, and this is what the back seat looks like. All of the kids' things all over the place, and crumbs galore. If your car looks like this right now, drop me a comment, #momlife in the comments below. So I am just starting off here by getting everything out of the car and just make pretty much a pile of things that you're going to take into the house, things that you need to throw away. So most everything needed to go into the house, but I got so much stuff out of this car. It is just absolutely ridiculous how much stuff I got out of the car. But yeah, I didn't really have like baskets to put it in. I just threw it on the floor into piles, you can see here. So I had just things that needed to go back in the car, most of this stuff just needed to go in the house. Like, this is just a pile of sweaters and jackets and blankets. That whole bag is just full of clothes that was in the car. And then just bags of things that needed to go into the house. If you have car seats in your car, do not skip the step of taking them out of the car completely. I know it's a hassle to get them out. Take them out. You're going to find so many crumbs and so much mess underneath those car seats on that seat. Especially if you don't have a liner like me for the back seat. But yeah, you can see me here just vacuuming all the loose crumbs, and all that stuff is like milk. That dries up that my son makes a mess with, so I'll get that with the sponge, but just looking for loose crumbs to vacuum up first. And here's my little helper. Look at her go with that vacuum, just like her mama. I don't go all fancy when I'm cleaning the car. I just use whatever multi-surface spray I have and wipe down all of my surfaces in the car, all of the hard surfaces with that spray, and I wipe down the seats with the same spray. So it's the Greenworks multi-surface spray that I use in the house. I am using to wipe down the car. So to clean the air vent, you can see that I'm using something, and it's just the little foam paint brushes that your kids may have. It is perfect for getting dust out of the air vents, so easy to do, and then I just wipe it down and get the remainder of everything that's come out of the vent. And then for my steering wheel, I just used a magic eraser, and it gets all the grime off. I mean, you wouldn't believe how much dirt you could get off of your steering wheel. It is amazing, just the handprints and the dirt that you can leave on your steering wheel. So here you have it, guys. This is the result, and I am so happy to have a clean car. It looks so nice and just feels so much better and so clean. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe this gave you a little bit of motivation to clean your car. Hopefully your car doesn't look half as bad as my car, but if it does, just here is some encouragement that you can make it look amazing again. Even when you have kids, it is doable. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And just I appreciate all of you. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.